Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Revolver Ocelot. Guys, today I'm going to be talking about Google Finance Android app versus Yahoo Finance Android app, part 2, my friends. This is part 2, and we are going to talk about one thing, my friends, one thing only, one fundamental difference that is very vital, my friends. Some people say that Yahoo Finance app is superior because of this very reason, my friends. Let's talk about it. Right now I am on the Google Finance app, my friends, and like I said in my previous videos, this history tab, you can see what I did on the app already, and I have an option to delete my data which I shared, which I required, the information that I fetched from this Google Finance app, my friends. Now let's head over to this other app, my friends. Wait. Yahoo. Just hang in there, my friends. Hang in there. It is so important, my friends. It's called stock discussion, my friends. Stock discussion, which is an active user forums included. This stock discussion is having an active user forums, my friends. Active meaning the latest shares from all over the internet. You can see financial experts and finance enthusiasts sharing their information about their favorite finance related topics in this specific community section, my friends. And this is missing in the Google Finance app, my friends. This is missing. This feature is missing. So we have under the community tab, you can see popular, new, for you. They say you have to sign up for this. I'm signed in as a guest, so you can follow these people inside this app if you sign in. And for you is specifically curated posts, forum posts, just curated for you, my friends, according to your preferences, my friends. And this is a crucial ingredient, my friends. That's why the Yahoo Finance app is, like I said earlier in my previous video, is for active traders and researchers, my friends. Active traders and researchers. And that's why Google Finance app is for casual trackers and AI enthusiasts, my friends. The Yahoo Finance is relying more on community news, my friends, through forums, discussions, my friends, stock discussion we can call it, while Google Finance app is relying more on AI, my friends. AI, generative AI market summaries, my friends. That's the main difference, my friends. So I just noticed that after doing all my research in the last video in part 1, I didn't discuss this important factor. I wanted to clear it out, my friends, to give you justice, to give you the complete information. Thanks for watching, my friends. I'll be signing off.